Hi, so Charlie, giving you Monday's market update, and I hope you're very well, and Happy New Year to you. To start off with this first Monday video, I got a message come through on the blog post page. This actually came through, as you can see, December 28th, from a trader asking, what advice would you give to a trader who's struggling with being consistent with their trading through drawdown, thereby worsening a methodology's expected drawdown? So what he's essentially saying there is if he's in a drawdown, he actually starts trading worse, which therefore makes the drawdown even more exaggerated. He said the thing that's the hardest part of trading is the fact that when you execute perfectly over long periods of time, you still suffer strings of losses. Yep, always. Watching the challenge account reviews. Okay, right. So he's got an issue with losses by sounds of things there. So in order to give some advice on that, the first thing that I would say, if I've got a pen, it's got an arrow here actually, so let's just change that over. So the first thing I would say is reduce the position size, and the reason we do this, and because the number one thing that I would say is so important for trading, and that's confidence. It's a confidence game, trading. And so if you're going through a drawdown and that's affecting your confidence, then that is going to spill over into your trading. So what I would say first of all is reduce your position size. If you reduce your position size, then what tends to happen is you trade better when you trade smaller relative to whatever the size of the account is. So that would be my first piece of advice, because reduce the position size, you then tend to trade that little bit better because there's less emotion attached to the trade because the position size is that much smaller. And as a result of reducing position size over a period of time, what you'll find is your confidence will come back, and then you can then start to increase your position size again once your confidence comes back. So to me, if I had to give someone advice about trading through a drawdown, then it's all a confidence game. And so if you lack confidence, there's only one thing you can do, and that's reduce your position size, or maybe even go to I don't like to say it, but demo account trading just for a short period. But I would much rather people just reduce position size, because we don't like demo account trading is always different. So reduce your position size, that'll help you get your confidence back, and in turn that'll help you with then increasing your position sizing and then getting back into the groove. Because all traders and trading methodologies will have drawdowns, and it's a case of how you handle them. And I know that what you said about on the challenge account when I've gone through drawdowns, but the challenge account, I've got a thicker skin as a result of trading for longer. Maybe it's not that I'm necessarily a better trader than other traders out there. We've got traders who have great methodologies, but where I've got this experience really that comes into the forefront, and that I think is a much more important thing, having the experience and the thick skin to be able to handle those sorts of things. So in order to develop that thick skin, reduce your position size. That'll help you get your confidence back, and in turn that will help. Then you can then worry about increasing your position size back up again. But that would be the best advice I can give you. So we are at the beginning of January. I hope you're all writing your plans out. I haven't actually done mine yet because we've only got back at the weekend, and so I've been away through the majority of Christmas. So we literally I've not been around, and we were busy the whole time we were away. So I've not written mine out yet, so I've got it in my head. I've just got to physically write it. But yes, you must look at your trading plan. What are your goals for the year? What do you need to improve as you go through the year? Certainly in the first half of the year. What needs working on? You need to look and review what you were doing in 2015 and say, okay, what do I need to do better? Was I in 2015, for example, was I trading with too wide stops? Or potentially, was I trading with too tight stops? Was my risk reward productive? Was it a good risk reward, or was it poor? All of those sorts of things. So it's not necessarily always about, oh, I've got to do, find a new holy grail strategy or anything like that, although there's always new strategies to be learned. But certainly within yourself, you have to have a look at these things and say, okay, I just literally had an email from a customer, I think it came through a few days ago, saying that part of his New Year's resolutions is that he's only ever going to risk 1% per trade, maximum per trade. So that's his New Year's resolution. He was obviously trading above that before. And so it doesn't matter what it is, but have a look at what you were doing through 2015, what can be improved, what needs to be changed, and then what do you want to be doing which is new going into this year as well. So have a look at all those things. It could be that you're a day trader, you want to be doing some more swing trading, or vice versa. You might be a swing trader, you might want to be doing some more day trading. Those are the big goals which you say, okay, yeah, this is what I want to do this year. I want to focus on, I want to learn I want to be a day trader now because I've done swing trading, or vice versa. But there'll also be adjustments and things that you need to do with your own trading as well. And remember, the markets are always moving, they're always changing their cycles as well. So you also have to look at, okay, how is my methodology? If you've got a methodology or a system, I know a lot of people like trading a specific system. How has it been trading? Where can it be tweaked, or am I over tweaking? And I need to know when it is going for a drawdown. What do I have a plan of action for what to do during those phases as well? So there's lots of work to do during January as regards to your plan, but that's what it's all about. Remember, my favorite time of the year for trading is now. It's literally from January all the way through till June. They're my favorite time of the year. So this is the best time to be really getting your trading boots on and getting into the thick of things. I'm not going to do any commentary today because we've already gone 6 minutes in, so I shall leave that with you, and I shall be back on Friday for live trading.